In this video, we will learn about adaptation for breathing. Now, all animals need oxygen to survive. Now, microbes like bacteria, amoeba, and paramecium, they do not need special organ for breathing. So, the oxygen enters to the body surface and the exhalation of carbon dioxide is from the body surface only. So, they do not need any special organ. Now, land animals like horses, dogs, or lions, and human beings, so they have special organs called lungs for breathing. Now, this is the lungs, and the lungs contain blood vessels. Now, here, these are the blood vessels. Now, what are the role of these blood vessels? So, in the lungs, oxygen from the inhaled air is taken by the blood and carried out to the parts of the body. That means we can say that the blood vessels, they take the oxygen to blood and from there to different parts of the body. Similarly, the blood vessels, they take carbon dioxide during exhalation from the different parts of body. So it is written here that carbon dioxide is in turn released back into the blood, which is taken to the lungs and finally exhaled. So now, in case of aquatic animals like fish, they breathe through gills. So this is the gills in case of a fish. And a typical gill consists of a stack of thin flaps. So these are the flaps actually. They're connected to the animal's blood supply. So they take oxygen to different parts of the body and releases back carbon dioxide during exhalation. Now, amphibians like frog, they breathe through lungs when on land and through skin when in water. So that means they can live on land as well as in water. So in land, when they are breathing through lungs, and when they are in water, they are breathing through skin. Now, the insects like grasshoppers, bees, or cockroaches, they breathe through trachea, and this is the breathing organ. So here, in the tracheal system, they have small air holes called spiracles. So we can say that these are the spiracles, and each spiracle leads to a thin tube called trachea. So this is the trachea. So what is the role of the spiracles and the trachea? That the spiracles, they actually takes oxygen to the tissues of body and releases back carbon dioxide from the tissues to the air. Hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.